Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Two Phones back again with another informative video, and this is a real informative video for those of you on AT&T prepaid that don't have pure unlimited data. I'm here to help you guys out with the AT&T prepaid plans. It's under roughly, let's say $40 to $30. You're only dealing with like maybe 1 gig to like 5 gigs or something like that. These applications will help you, and they're also partnered and sponsored for AT&T services in the run-in. So no further ado, let's go ahead and check out my AT&T folder. I'm going to show you guys exactly all the applications. Well, the majority of the applications partnered and sponsored with AT&T for AT&T company that will actually be 100% data free with your prepaid data services and prepaid phone plans. So here we are. Let's go check into the AT&T folder. As you can see now, I know I mentioned in the previous video about AT&T Wi-Fi, right? So that's really just for people, that don't want to use up all that 1 gigabyte of data or 500 megabytes of data or 100 megabytes or even, like their 2 to 3 gigabyte data add-on, services and things in the sort. But they do have unlimited data plans. But if you're not willing to cough up no $50, no $60, 70, not even 80, now these will be the apps to help you on the prepaid services. So no further ado, if you get AT&T TV and AT&T TV Watch, which I also have in this folder right there, it's actually data free, meaning that it won't use up your data if you're watching AT&T TV live. Now, a new one I discovered was Pluto TV. So Pluto TV is also included with the AT&T service. So keep that in mind. Pluto TV is 100% free TV, live TV, mind I add. So let me go ahead and do that for you. And Cartoon Network for your kids. So your kids love Cartoon Network. AT&T wireless service would be the perfect plan for you and the perfect plan for your family and for your kids. You get that AT&T, their Cartoon Network app. You put it on their phones, iPhones, their Android phones, tablets, whatever you have. Even it will work data free via mobile hotspot using your Roku TV, your Fire Stick, your Fire TV, your Apple TV. So it will work with all these if you're using your AT&T mobile Wi-Fi hotspot. I've done previous videos that this actually worked and it was 100% data free. Check out my YouTube channel. All right, so Spotify and Pandora. Now, they're actually data free with the premium service. So you sign up with the unlimited data plan with AT&T postpaid. You can choose from Spotify or Pandora as the premium package, and you get no ads, things in that sort, and you use it, and it's actually free with the data plan. So keep that in mind if you need music. I also got another alternative for you guys, which is for those that have LG and Samsung, Motorola, Nokia, Sony, Huawei phones. Next radio application will work data free, free music, free podcast, free live sports via audio. ESPN radio, if you got ESPN radio, Fox Sports radio, what have you, you can listen to it via audio, data free, with the headphone jack. So that's why I put this in a box, because LG V35, Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, like I said, Moto G7 Power, all of them have the headphone jack and FM radio inputted already. So go ahead and check that out. Next Radio is also great for your podcast and listening, your music, your news, your traffic, all that. DC Universe is absolutely data free with any plan. The prepaid, the unlimited data plan is absolutely free, but there's a gripe. You do have to pay the $5 a month for the DC Universe. All right, so if you're a DC fanboy, you will cough off the $5 a month. Bleacher Report. Bleacher Report application is an AT&T service, so it's absolutely data free. Check out Bleacher Report and Bleacher Live. CNN is also an AT&T company. If you into the CNN news, check out CNN News. All right. Great big story. Great big stories. Also AT&T company, which gives you data-free services. We talked about AT&T Watch. AT&T thanks for unlimited postpaid. Check that out. They got exclusives every week. VRV is also a paid subscription, but it's data-free with your unlimited data plan. Stars. Now, once again, Stars, HBO, Showtime, and AT&T TV are your options of premium services, including Spotify and Pandora. These are absolutely data-free with your unlimited data plan or even your prepaid plan. But if you're on the prepaid plan, you do not get Stars, Showtime, and HBO for free. So you will have to sign up to those payment plans. Realtor.com is also a AT&T company. Well, AT&T bought them. So basically, Realtor.com is data free with your internet access. But like I said, once again, before everybody get routed and be like, what is all this? What is all that? This is for people that don't want to use up all their unlimited, their high-speed data. I'll put it like that. The high-speed data, they don't mind being deprioritized to 480p and all that stuff like that. That's impossible that you can be using this all day and all night unless you do not have a job and you're a kid in work at school or something like that. You're on college campus and you don't have no Wi-Fi, then I can see why unlimited data is needed. But if you don't have unlimited data, then you need to check out these applications because they will save you a lot of money. And on top of that, they'll save you a lot of data. And then like you could go ahead and get the AT&T smart Wi-Fi, which I mentioned earlier in my YouTube videos early on the channel. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Did you even know these applications were data free? And yes, games, majority of the games that the basic users use, like Crossy Road, Angry Birds, Asphalt, that game doesn't need data. Space Marshals doesn't need data. Now, Call of Duty, you will need data to use for gaming online. Moment Valley 2, you do not need data for. Let me see what else. I think I have some more games around somewhere. Jetpack and Crossy Road don't need internet data. Minecraft doesn't need data. So, like I said, the major basic gaming won't need, data. Google Play games won't need data. Keep that in mind. You will not need data for Google Play games. Like this Whirly Bird, you can play that data free. Minesweeper, you can play that data free. Snakes, Solitary, Cricket, and even Pac-Man are absolutely 100% data free. So majority of these games, 2048 is data free. All right, Solitary data free. Okay, so keep in mind, majority of these games are 100% data free. Don't need internet. Also, I want to show you guys a few like music and media players that don't need internet. Mix player, once you got files downloaded to your software, to your SD card or to your storage on your phone, you won't need internet for using those apps. VLC, all right. So keep that in mind. MX player, VLC. What else do we have? Let's go check. It's a lot of data-free applications that everyone. Plex. You don't really need data for Plex. Let's go around here. Here we go. Movies Anywhere. If you download, you won't need data. If you download with YouTube Music, you won't need data. What else? Although Google's not promoting Play Music anymore, if you got a library, you synced it up to your Google Play account, Play Music, don't need internet access. So there's a lot of applications that people are sleeping on, and don't realize it's already on their phones already that don't need internet access. All you have to do is just open them up, play with them, see what works, see what doesn't work. But majority of the applications you see on my home screen, you see, don't need internet access at all. All right. So keep it moving. Keep in mind that, All right. So I to be truthfully honest, like I said, I think AT&T has the best packages. If you got a Sprint phone, even Sprint phones have like a lot of quote unquote bloatware that don't need internet. But here we are, once again, talking about data-free apps that don't need internet access. You can use them without a data plan, talk and text only, and they will work. Just leave me your thoughts in the comment section below.